Oh man, that was awesome, dude. It's like yesterday. Man, I couldn't even sleep yesterday, man. There was no sleeping last night, dude. After you told me that I was gonna get that deer, dude, that was like, dude, I'm so thankful for that, man. Like, I didn't expect that. I mean, I was happy to come shoot a doe or nothing, shoot a can. But man, when your brother, you and your brother told me you guys were gonna shoot that, man, that's a lot for me, dude. I really appreciate it. But it still didn't even feel real. It's like we're sitting here and we're watching stuff, and the deer are just coming out. And it was nice. It was really nice morning. Like, we get out here really calm, and the weather's really nice. And then you know, we got a lot of does out. We got, I don't know, 15 does, a couple bucks. And after the feeder went off, I was kind of like, man, this big guy, he's not just gonna come out. Like, he doesn't just come out for anybody. So honestly, I was starting to doubt it. And as we're watching them, dude, just freaking big black body comes out, man. It's just like, oh my gosh, it's so hard to keep calm. And I already had, I don't know why, but decided it was smart to have 2 cups of coffee this morning. So it's like my insides are already shaking. So it's already hard enough to keep the caffeine levels down, much less the buck fever. But it was crazy, man. Like, he's out there with, like, I don't know, 10 other deer, and it's like every time a shot looks like it's gonna present itself, it's like someone walks in front of it and the other guy walks behind it. And so I just sat here I had the glass on and rifled up, and probably, I don't know what, 15 minutes it felt like, just waiting and waiting. My arm started to go a little numb, dude. And then it was like the most beautiful shot ever. He just stands up, looks at you.
You hit him right in the shoulder.
Did I smoke him?
I think so.
Oh, come on, please. Dang it.
You hit him right in the shoulder.
I found blood!
Come over here!
Oh my gosh!
Woo! Oh, yes, man.
Oh, that's great.
He's a toad.
He's freaking thick.
He's a toad.
Look at that mass all the way down. Look at his bases.
They're huge.
That's definitely him.
Oh yeah, that's him.
Oh yeah. He's wide, he's got everything.
Little deer, man.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh my god.
Ooh, let's get work, Javi.
Oh, dude, this is monster right here.
Somebody shot something. It might be people. Who shot something?
You'll have to see.
Is it Javi? No, Javi's not in there. It's got ta-da!
The victory lap. I don't see Javi in the car either.
Yeah, but maybe they did that on purpose. It's totally like a sound or something.
We heard
Is
that.
it a rabbit? What is it?
Guy, if it's like.
What is it? Oh my goodness.
Javi. Javi got it. Yay! Good job.
That's awesome.
What do you think of Javi?
Was it fun?